Hello, in front of me I've got BF6. In this video I'll show you how to manage aim assist. In the beginning, let's go to settings of the game, and in gameplay scroll all the way down. Find aim assist, and here you can enable Infantry Aim Input Curve. You can adjust Infantry Aim Assist, Assist Slowdown, change Infantry Zoom Aim Input Curve, change Vehicle Aim Input Curve, change Vehicle Aim Assist, Vehicle Zoom Aim Input Curve, and Vehicle Aim Assist Slowdown. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.